Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the multiple string king, Lil Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, before I get started, listen, I want you to go into the right-hand corner, all right? And if you see a red subscribe button, that means you haven't subscribed. Click the subscribe button, okay? And then click the notification bell. So anytime I drop a video, you are the first to be notified. Hey, what's going on, Paid in Full family? Y'all back with how to make money online with the MSK. That's the multiple string king. Listen, y'all, I know some of you all have taken advantage of it, and I know a lot of you all haven't. Well, now, all right, I'm about to add a little pressure. Okay, this promo ends November 7th. So after November 6th, it's over. Okay, November 7th, they start a new sales with this thing to where you're only going to get $5 per person. All right, right now it's $21 when you sign up. Okay, you sign up as an affiliate first, and then you sign up as your own customer, get $21.25, and then you get $10 per referral. Okay, I've been killing this thing, you all. As you can see, I just shared it on my Facebook wall. One second, I just shared it on my Facebook wall, you all, and I get paid. All right. I share it on my Facebook wall and I get paid. People want to know info. I do videos, things of that nature. It's truly simple. Show you all where I'm at right now with it. Right now, as you can see, I have $244.24. It costs me $1, literally $1 a week. All right, for this roadside assistance mini plan. Okay, that's it. That's all, $1. And right now they're running a promo. All right, to get the word out there, and so it'll behoove you to get busy. Okay, like I said, they pay you $21.25 when you first come aboard, and then they give you $10 per referral after that. Plus a little 5% increase when they bring on people. So as you can see, if you look in the right hand corner, you see all those tens. That's me bringing in people. Okay, $10 per referral, man. All right, so I don't know what you all are waiting for, but now I'm going to go ahead and add a little pressure. All right, some of you all have sit back and second guessed and, you know, question and want to know, is it real? If it's a scam, no, it's 100% real. I'm showing you all the commissions. They pay out the commissions every 48 hours. That $21.25, you'll see it on your account within 15 to 20 minutes tops. All right, as fast as 5 minutes. All right, but there's a lot of people coming in, so it may take a little bit longer, but no longer than 15, 20 minutes. You log in your back office, you'll see the $21.25. You take that $21.25, okay? Take a screenshot of it, and you post it on your Facebook wall, okay? You post it on your Facebook wall, and you share it with people. You see what I'm doing? All right, I took a picture of mine. This when I was at 192. I took a picture of it. I shared some information about it. All right, asking folks if they had $1. All right, people ask for information, and I send them the info. It's really that simple. Okay, you gotta leap. You gotta take action. You gotta leap and you gotta take action. Let me show you all a video of me leaping. All right, I said I've always been a risk taker. Faith over fear. It's about taking a leap of faith. All right, I don't know how much of a leap of faith you need for $1, but I hope this helps. All right, check this out.
Simple. He say he can clear this. It's your boy. You know what I mean? Your stacks. They will. So we got Richie.
That's my brother talking.
So y'all, if we record, if we fall in this water, bro, it's going on Facebook. It's gonna go viral. Say 100. Yo. Look, he tightened up the belt.
It's about
right.
5 years ago.
Now if he fall in this water, say
it's on my Facebook memory, so I reshared it. I seen that, said, man, it's nothing. That's what you all should see. $1 is nothing. Let me get at this. Take a leap of faith, you guys.
Oh my God.
There's nothing to it. Nothing to it. And that's the same thing with this business. All right. Give me a like, man. Give me a like just for that comparison right there, man. Go ahead and give me a like on this video just for that up, man. All right. Give me a like, a share, and a comment for that leap. But what are you guys waiting on? Okay, what are you waiting on? You got a Facebook, you got an Instagram to really win with it. Take that screenshot and go post it to your Instagram stories. Go post it to your Facebook stories and watch what happens. Okay, you are going to make some serious cash flow. Let's look at the calendar real quick. All right, if you look in your bottom right hand corner, the 7th is next Thursday. All right, so you literally got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days to win. All right. Can you make $100 a day? All right. Can you make $50 a day? Either way, that's $400 to $800 that you can make, all right, within the next 8 days if you take action. Okay, so listen, the instructions are going to be below. I just gave you the instructions, right? One little piece I left out. You need 2 email addresses. Why? Because on the first hand, you're going to sign up as an affiliate with 1 email address. Then you're going to become your own customer. Sign up for the mini plan. Just keep following the instructions. You're going to see. Sign up for the mini plan with us alternate email address. You need a second email, all right, in order to get the 2125. Don't sign up with the same email. It's not going to work. You need 2 different emails, okay? If you don't have 2 emails, go to Gmail and create another Gmail account in 5 minutes, and you're ready to rock and roll, okay? It's really that simple. Do this. Share it on all your social media platforms. Rack up. Make money, all right? I'll see y'all on the next video. Y'all don't overcomplicate this, man. It's your boy.